money for a guided tour.
It certainly is a lot of money, but we do have an extra special tour guide today.
He's tall, handsome.
A smart dresser.
A bit of a joker, really.
Sounds cool. I think I'll go for it. Here's a tenner.
Thank you. You'll find your tour guide waiting for you as you go through.
Thanks. Hang on a minute. There's nobody there, just me.
That's right. You are the tour guide. Oh, I didn't think you'd thought of that.
Good morning, lords, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this auction underway. Ace Auctioneers, what do we have today?
Well, what can I say? Probably one of the best offers we've had for ages.
There's bound to be plenty of interest here.
It's one of the King of Diamonds. Diamonds.
Well, such a lovely piece, and it is lovely. We'll start the bids at £1. Who bid £1?
£1 over here.
Thank you. Who bid another pound?
Over here.
That's £1 plus another pound is...
£2.
Thank you. Who bid another pound?
Yes, hello? It's Ace Jewellers. They want to bid another pound.
That's £2 plus £1 is...
£3.
Thank you. Who bid another pound?
I will bid £2 more pounds.
Oh, thank you, sir. That's £3 plus £2 is...
£5.
Thank you. Who bid 2 more pounds?
Ace Jewellers want to bid £5.
£5, amazing. So that's £5 plus £5 is...
£10.
Thank you. Who bid another £5 for this lovely diamond? It's a £10 to the Ace Jewellers. Any more bids? No? Going once, going twice. So to the Ace Jewellers on the phone for £10.
£10 for one of my diamonds, and I know exactly what I'm going to spend it on. Okay.
Good day, Your Majesty. And what will Sire be requiring today?
Sire will be requiring everything, okay? The works, okay? Much as I can get for £10.
That's 1,000 pennies, Sire.
No, it's just £10.
£10 is 1,000 pennies, sire.
I think not. 1,000 of something is a lot more than 10 of something now, isn't it?
Not if you're talking pennies instead of pounds, Your Majesty. A penny is worth a lot less than a pound.
Go on.
Well, sire, if you have 100 pennies, you call them £1 for short.
Because it's easier.
But £1 is still made up of 100 pennies.
So, £2 is actually 200 pennies.
That's right, Your Madge. And £3 is actually 300 pennies.
And £4 is actually 400 pennies.
£5 is 500 pennies. £6 is 600 pennies.
£7 is 700 pennies. £8 is 800 pennies. £9 is 900 pennies.
So, £10, okay, is actually 1,000 pennies.
Oh!
Oh, well, of course it is. Everyone knows that, okay?
And here, at the Ace Beauty Salon, everything is priced in pennies. So complete hair replacement is 160 pennies, or in pounds and pence, £1.60.
And beard refurbishment and overhaul is 340 pennies, or in pounds and pence, £3.40.
And beauty spots are on special offer this week. Only 130 pennies, or in pounds and pence, £1.30.
But tell me, gang, how is moi supposed to know exactly which bit is pounds and which bit is pence?
Well, sire, you add a point.
A point? What sort of point?
It's a little dot that separates the pounds from the pence.
And how does one know exactly where to put this point?
Well, sire, take, for example, the complete face paint, which costs 370 pennies. There are 300 pennies, so this 3 becomes £3. And what's left are the pence, and there are 70 of them.
And once you've worked out which part is the pounds and which part is the pence, you add a point to separate them, like that. Actually, it's always 2 digits in from the end. 1, 2, see? And then you add a pound sign at the beginning to show that the amount is now in pounds and pence. And you can get rid of the P sign, because it's no longer just pennies. So 370 pennies is
£3.70. Well, I like it. I like it so much, I'm going to have one.
Wise move, sire.
In fact, I think I'm going to have everything. Ace beauticians, tell me what you're going to do for me and how much it'll cost.
You must take our advice and make your hair real nice. You can work out the price when you add the point 160 pence. And if it don't make sense, no need to get too tense. When you add the point, first you work out the pounds and pence. Come back 2 digits from the end. Add a point and then add a pound sign. Makes it £1.60. You've got to lose the beard, then you won't look so weird. The final cost is clear. When you add the point, 340 pence. And if it don't make sense, no need to get too tense. When you add the point, first you work out the pounds and pence. Come back 2 digits from the end. Add a point and then add a pound sign. Makes it £3.40. You've got to look real hot. You need a beauty spot. You can work out the lot. When you add the point, 130 pence. And if it don't make sense, no need to get too tense. When you add the point, first you work out the pounds and pence. Come back 2 digits from the end. Add a point and then add a pound sign. Makes it £1.30. And as you look so brill, may we present our bill.
1,000 pennies?
Still, when you add the point, the total won't astound. In pounds and pence we found it comes to just £10. If you add the point,
I want to add the point.
if you add the point.
Oi, stop!
What are your names?
My name's Gary. And mine's Nadia.
Well, Gary and Nadia, you know you can't come in to do your challenge until you answer a simple question.
And pay.
And pay. Here's the question. It costs £10 to come into the castle today on our guided tour. Children are half price. How much is it to go in if you're a child?
£5.
Well done. £5 is half of £10. Through you go.
And don't forget, there are 10 £1 coins in every £10.
Hi guys, welcome to Table Mountain and today's challenge. Nadia, Gary, over there is a pile of large coins and notes. Behind us you will find some racks with prices written on them. Your task is to make up those prices on those racks using those coins and notes over there. The trick is to do it with the least number of coins or notes possible. You can only bring one at a time. OK, Nadia, you can go first. And the first price you're going for is £2.12. Off you go! What are you going to go for now? £2.12 is the first price. She's got what on there? £2 on the rack so far. Here comes, what's that? A 10p. It's a 10p and, a 2p. £2.12 it says on there, £2.12 it says on here. OK, Gary, £1.25. Nadia, come on here. Now then, you're going for £1.25. What's he got so far? OK, could be a 20 next, we think. Yeah. That's a 20. A 5, did you say, Nadia? Is that what he's got? Let's have a look at that. £1.25 it says on there. Good. OK, £7.70, Nadia. £7.70. £7. What's this? What have we got here then, Gary?
£5 note.
A £5 note. Now then, what else you got for me?
£2.
That's £2. What's that? So what's the next one? How much has she got to get left?
20p.
Let's have a look if she's right. Let's tote that up. £5, £7, £7.50. Come over here, Nadia. £7.70. Perfect. £3 and 1 penny, Gary. Go. £3 and 1. Now then, he's going for... What's he got there, Nadia?
£2.
OK, what do you think he'll go for now? £1. Let's see if they're right. That looks like a £1. And as you bet, a 1. Let's have a look. We've got £3 and 1 penny on there. £3, 1 penny. Good. Go! Now then, it says £6.50 on this last rack. Bring them over for me. And if you guys are right, we've got £6.50. Here, put it on. Let's see. We got a 50, we got a £5 and a £1. I make that £6 of 50. Well done, guys! Would you like to buy a prize? Now, that's the best value, 30 quid.
700p. Oh, stupid machine. Plus 200p. Equals... Oh, stupid machine.
What on earth do you think you're doing?
The calculator has gone completely dotty. It has broken out in full stops and erupted in spots.
Oh, that. I've adjusted the mechanism to automatically change all your amounts from pennies into pounds and pence by adding a point.
A point?
To separate the pounds from the pence. Look, 533 pennies. Add a point to separate the pounds from the pence. Add a pound sign and cross out the p, and now the amount is in pounds and pence. £5.33.
Oh, I see, most ingenious.
Talking of ingenious, beware suspicious characters here today. Ace police have issued a warning about bogus royals trying to draw out money that doesn't belong to them.
Okay. King of Diamonds account, please. I want to draw out everything.
And who might you be, sweetie?
I am the King of Diamonds, of course.
With hair like that? I think not.
Yes, no. But, you see, it is moi.
There's only one way of finding out if he's really the King of Diamonds or not. He would not understand the thing about the point which separates the pounds from the pence. Let's test.
Oh, splendid idea, your royal detectiveness.
All right, sweetie, if you're really the King of Diamonds, what's 450 pennies in pounds and pence?
Oh, easy. You add the point, you add a pound sign, and you rub out the p. So 450 pennies is £4.50, okay?
450p is £4.50, your royal impostorness.
It's completely impossible. My husband knows even less about money than me. Let's test him again.
Splendid, your royal cleverness.
Okay, if you're really the King of Diamonds, what's 771 pennies in pounds and pence?
Oh, easy peasy, cheddar, cheesy. You add the point, you add the pound sign, and rub out the p. Answer, £7.71.
771p is... £7.71. Correct, your majestic phoniness.
That proves that you could never be the King of Diamonds. He would never understand the point that separates the pounds from the pence.
No,
Jack, call Ace Police this instant.
No, but look. Aha! It is me. I tell you what, I'll do it the King of Diamonds way, okay? Let's change 200 pennies into pounds and pence. Well, you add a couple of points, and you add a pound sign, and you add lots of noughts hither and thither. So 200 pennies becomes 200 million trillion billion pounds. Is that it?
Oh, husband!
Your most supreme nobleness.
Now, can I withdraw my money?
Yes, and not a moment too soon by the look of you. Go and get your hair cut. You look awful.
I bet the King of Diamonds wishes he'd never had a makeover.
Yes. And I bet you can't make £10 using just one note.
What? Like a note to the milkman for lots of lovely cream?
No.
Can't do it then.
Of course you can.
How?
Using a £10 note.
But that's not a coin.
No, it's a note of paper money. It's what people use when they get up to £5 and £10.
Awesome! But can you make £10 using one note and 5 coins?
Of course I can. A £5 note and 5 £1 coins.
I should have made it harder for you.
OK, here's one for you. make £10 from 1 note and 6 coins?
A £5 note, that's the note, and 6 coins. 4 £1 coins and 2 50p coins.
Yep.
Now, see if you can make £10 from 1 note and 7 coins, old flame-grilled whopper.
Well, there's a £5 note, 3 £1 coins, and 4 50p pieces. And there are lots of other ways. When you're hot, you're hot.
Day to change from £10. So let the tournament begin.
How much change would we have if we spent £5?
The answer is £5. I know because 2 £5 notes add up to £10.
So £5 plus £5 equals £10. You're right, well done.
Thank you. Tart?
Oh, lovely. Tea?
Thank you. £6 from £10. This should be easy, as it's £1 more than the last price tag.
You're right, last time it was £5, this time it's £6.
So the change should be £1 less.
The change is £4.
You're right. Oh, £3.50. If we bought something for £3.50 cousin of spades and paid with a £10 note, how much change would we have left?
£6.50.
We can check by counting out the change.
£3.50 plus 50p is £4.
£4 plus £1 is £5.
And £5 plus £5 is £10. So, what do we have there?
£6 and a 50p piece, just as you said.
Oi, you joker! What's the point of the point?
OK, well, let's take the £10 that you conned me out of earlier, all right? That's £5 for you and £5 for you. Now, let's take one of those £5 and write it here on this board. Now, I will agree to give you each another £5 if you agree to give me what's written on this board after I've rubbed out one thing.
What do you reckon?
Well, whatever he rubs off, he can't make it any more than £5, so he can't lose. OK, Mr Joker, give us your money.
Good, OK, £5 for you, Gar, and £5 for you, Goyle. OK, there's the £5 that I've just given you. There's the one thing that I'm going to rub out, and there is the £500 that you've just agreed to give me. You see, that's the point of the point, to make me rich. And if you don't mind, I'll take this as a deposit.
I told you to watch the programme.
I'll watch the repeats.
£500.
Look after those pennies, and the pennies will look after you. Together you can make your dreams come true. All together now, look after those pennies, and the pennies will look after you. Together you can make your dreams, whatever your wealth or financial means. Together you can make your dreams come true.
Just come along and see.